way to Kahana Bay this morning. It's storm surf all along the windward coast of Oahu. So we're gonna just give it a try and see what's happening.
No more coconuts in Coconut Grove.
Can you see those jet skis there? There's about 6 or 7 of them. They're all lifeguard guys, and they're going out to get training in the big waves that are happening along the windward shores.
And there ain't no coconuts in Coconut Grove.
When I first drove up, it didn't look like there was a lot of good waves. But after a while, I saw some good stuff, so I'm going out. I haven't surfed this bay in over 10 months, primarily because of my surgery. And normally there are no waves except during the winter. So this is the first swell of the year.
No more flipping burgers for the population. Things have got to change, it's called evolution.
Oh man, I love surfing here. It's not the greatest wave in the world, but it's just a lot of fun. The waves aren't as consistent as they normally are, and that's probably why we don't have the crowds we normally get. But there sure are a lot of hydrofoilers here and longboarders. One of the things about Kahana is that the wave generally is a wide wave. What I meant is it goes from one side of the bay to the other, and you can put multiple people on a wave.
No more sand where the concrete grows, and there ain't no coconuts in Coconut Grove.
It's quite difficult to share a wave with a hydrofoiler. They're going much faster than everybody else, and today we had a couple really close calls. Well, I caught my share of waves today. They weren't the longest waves in the world, and you know, they weren't the best shape, but it was okay. I had a lot of fun. It's kind of a cloudy day, overcast, lots of wind. Still a good time out there. Wow, that was fun. That was a good day, you know. I'm fortunate to be out today. It doesn't look so good, but when you get out there, it's a lot bigger. So I'm jazzed. I came out today. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next ride. Aloha.